Hello, mic testing 3 2 1 1 2 3. This is Amarpreet Singh. These are my hands. I hope you all are doing good. So today I was about to charge this my 3 cells using a power supply. This is my power supply that is of 12 volt, and coming out of this jack I have added this cylindrical jack, female jack, so that you can charge it. Now one question that brought in my mind, that many of you were asking me how to check the current of the battery or any source, right? So that's easy, but you should remember only one thing, that you have to, if you want to check the current, so this is the potential difference. I hope you all of my students are aware about potential difference. So this is the potential difference that is offered by a power source. So this source is actually offering the power of like voltage of 11.93, but this is the battery that will consume the power, and that's how it will like consume the power or charge as per its capacity. So this is the voltage. I have put this knob of the multimeter at 20 because it is greater than 2 volts, so it is at 20. Okay, now if you can see, the 10A here is empty, but this is MAV ohm, where I am putting this red knob. The black knob is at kala black. Okay, so when you are connecting it red to the plus and negative to the minus, you will see some 11.9 volt, that is positive. If I ulta this, alter karega ulta, so it will become negative. So no, okay, but doesn't matter. Okay, so what I am doing now, I am checking the battery voltage. So battery voltage, this is the lal wire, red wire. If you connect the red wire and black to the black wire, you will check the voltage is 10. Okay, that should be around 11 a.m. Thoda sa discharge, thoda sa, not so big. So all you should do that, this is the positive, that should go to positive. Okay, this is how we power the positive 5V or VCC that you call it. Okay, this is not 5V, this is 12V. Okay, so I'm connecting it. Now we need to before we need to connect it, okay, we need to check the current out. So how will you check the current? Oh, it is very easy. So this time I have put this at 10A. If you can see in the multimeter, this is my another multimeter, this is I have two. Okay, so in the second multimeter, if you can see here at this knob, I am connecting, no, nothing is connected here. This is 10A. So this is the place where you can put your probe, so that you can check the current. Now what we will do, okay, so this is the negative of the power supply, right? So let's connect it here. Okay, and this is the red one that is connecting to the battery ka negative wala. If you will touch it, can you read the temperature? Oh, my hand is little difficult for me to handle it, but let me try. I have to use some more better equipments. So when I will touch it, it is consuming, see, so 0.4748 amperes. It means that it is consuming around not 0.44546 ampere. That's okay, but it is taking 420 or 410 ampere. So just like when you fill up your bottle, right, so the flow like consumption is reduced. That's how when the battery is getting charged up, okay, it is reducing its current. So at the time when it will be fully charged, then the consumption will be enda, that is 0. I hope you understood the concept. Now I am putting the connection so that my battery will be charged for the next project. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any confusion, any question, anything if you want to ask, please do comment below. Okay, and we are having lots of projects coming by, so please stay tuned, subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, see you shortly. My side again, Amarpreet Singh, Robopie Labs. Enjoy.